Hello everyone, today let's explore how to do in ERPNext make task management super simple. To do is a simple yet powerful task management tool that helps users follow up on activities, whether personal or delegated. It improves workflow, responsibility and productivity across the system. Each to-do is a record of a task, useful for tracking daily activities, follow-ups or responsibilities linked to documents like issues, projects, sales orders, etc. A to-do is created automatically when a document is assigned to a user, ensuring nothing is missed. You can also create to-dos manually for personal or team use, making task tracking seamless and integrated. To open to-do, go to Home, Tools, To-do. Let's create a new to-do. Click on New. You will be taken to a quick entry from where you enter the description of the to-do. This is where you say what needs to be done. In the quick entry form, type the description of your task, for example, follow up with client ABC. Click Save to enter the task. If you prefer to delegate the to-do to another person or enter additional information like priority or reference document, hit Edit in full page. This reveals other fields such as allocated to. If the to-do is to be done by someone else, you can assign it to another priority. You can assign the to-do a priority level to denote the to-do is high priority. ERPNext also has 3 default priority levels: low, medium and high, thus allowing users to sort and react to tasks according to priority. Due date. A due date can also be set to assist in tracking deadlines. This date assists the user in prioritizing future tasks and also aids in agenda-based calendar views for ERPNext. Even assign a color for better visualization. Let's talk about the status of a to-do in ERPNext. There are 3 statuses. Open. This is used as default status for all new to-dos. This status means that the task is still open and needs to be worked on. Closed. Marked when the task is done and it can be reopened if needed. Cancelled. Set automatically if the user or link document is removed, so only active tasks remain. These statuses keep task tracking simple and clear. Reference type. The doc type of the to-do, for example, issue, project, task. When you create the to-do manually, you can still choose the corresponding doc type option so that the to-do would be linked to a specific document. Reference name. This contains the name or ID of the document that the to-do is linked to. Say when a task is assigned to an issue, the issue ID will be shown here. Assigned by. When the to-do is created by assigning it through another document, this field will have the user who assigned or created the task. This increases transparency and responsibility, especially in a team-based situation. Role in to-do. Role is different from assigned to. Assigned to means the task goes to one person, while role assigns it to a group of users with the same role. For example, if you choose sales user, then anyone in that role can complete the task. This is useful when you want to assign work to a whole team instead of just one person. When you are making a to-do in ERPNext, you have a number of options for customizing the task management process to be more effective and responsive to your workflow. So, first I am selecting allocated to. I am selecting this task to Coursera. Next, I am choosing the priority for this task. I am selecting high. Then I set the due date. I am selecting 15 September 2025. After that, I pick a color to highlight this task. I am choosing blue. The status is by default open, meaning the task is not yet completed. Add description. Follow up with client ABC. Now I attach a reference document type. I am selecting project. Next, I select the reference document name, for example, project 005. In the last, I choose assigned by to define who created or delegated this task. Click Save. This is how you can create and manage to-dos in ERPNext, either with quick entry or by using the full page with advanced options. If you are interested in knowing more about ERPNext or you want to see how ERPNext can work for your company, then you can get a free demo from us. For details, visit our website www.zikpro.com.